Hey everyone, I hope you're having a great start to your week. I'm that Ed Tech guy, and it's Tech Tuesday. In this episode of Tech Tuesday, I'm going to show you a useful communication feature in Google Chat that you may not be using to its full potential. Spaces is a feature in Google Chat that allows you to create a space to share information with the team. It's likely that you're already a member of one or more spaces, but you may not be using them to the full extent. To see if you're already a member of Spaces, you can see the Spaces tab on the left navigation menu in Chat, and any spaces that you are currently a member of will show up in that space below. If you'd like to create a new space for your learning team, you can either click on the plus sign next to the chat and select Create a Space, or you can click the plus sign next to Spaces and select Create a Space. Once you select to create a space, you'll be asked to give your space a name. Then you'll want to type the names of anyone you wish to invite to collaborate with you in this space. Once you have created your space, there are 3 features that are available to you. The most common one we use is the chat feature. This operates just like regular Google Chat. You can communicate with your team within this space. A nice feature about using spaces as opposed to a group chat is that if you add a file into this space, so I want to upload a file here, and this is a file that I'm going to share with my team. Once I add it into this space, it will also appear in this Files tab. So the really nice thing about this is that, let's say 2 to 3 weeks goes by and our chat has moved along. Instead of scrolling back through the chat and looking for that file that I need, I'll have all of the files that are ever added to this space will be located right here. I can also search these files by clicking the search icon here. I also have the ability to add this file to my Google Drive by clicking on the Google Drive icon. And then the other really nice feature about Spaces, and the reason that this is such a great tool for learning teams, is the Tasks tab. So I have the ability to add a task for my team. So if we're going to be grading the Unit 2 portfolio, I can add that task. I can add a date and a time that we're going to do that. We can also assign this task to an individual within our group. And once the task is assigned, it will add this task to that person's calendar on that date and time. Once the task has been completed, the person can mark this complete and it is removed from the space. So this is a great communication tool that you can use with your learning team so that you can easily communicate with each other and sharing files and keeping track of various tasks and who's responsible for those tasks. I hope you find this tip useful. Have a great week. That's it for this episode of Tech Tuesday. If you have an idea for an upcoming episode, send me an email or hit me up on Twitter @thatedtechguy. Have a great week, everyone.